Hello, my name is Jorge Arroyo. I'm with Goldwell Banker. I was able to use the technique that from one of the courses I took with Authorify, and what I did was call on the for sale by owners that obtained from the internet through the Zillow website. I started making calls, and I was able to get in touch with one of the sellers, the for sale by owner sellers, and I spoke to her and I offered her this book, Selling Secrets That You Cannot Afford to Miss. And I also offer her a free comparable market analysis. When she received it, I called her a week later and she was very impressed with the information. And the next day I visited her and she listed a house with me. She had previously tried with another realtor, but with no results. And within 2 weeks, it was pending. We put it on sale for $500,000, $500,000, but we sold it at $510,000 above market value.